So if you get in your car in the morning and it makes this sound, yeah, there's something really bad and you gotta figure it out right away. This is definitely a water pump. You can see the coolant leaking. If you were gonna do this repair yourself, it would have cost you $181.77 just in parts. However, if you took this car to a shop, they would charge you 2.5 hours to do the water pump. At $145 an hour, that comes out to $362.50. And then your parts would be $181.72, but the shop would upcharge you 20% on the parts, so that's another $36.35. You'd be paying $580.62, and that doesn't even include tax or disposal fees. So if you want to save a ton of money, you should be doing things yourself.